If you are wondering which apps do we use to make our social media posts, then this video is for you. And for those social media freaks out there, this is the video you shouldn't miss. Hey, this is Subham here from TechTardy. Let me show you the apps we use for social networking sites. Check out VapourHost if you are searching for cheap, good, reliable hosting service for your blog and website. Minimum plan starts at 25 rupees per month. So the first app is the most important one in our list. It's called Canva. In this app you will find tons of graphic designs, from Facebook posts, stories, YouTube thumbnails to greeting cards. There are pre-made templates for your use and for free. Just open any template from the app and edit as you want. The next app is called GBOX. It's an all-in-one toolbox mainly for Instagram. Main features of this app are glitchy photo editor, swappable photo creator, reposting post creator, and the most important thing, hashtag finder. There are many other features as well. Give it a shot if you want to make your Instagram profile more creative. The last app in our list is PIXELLAB. The place where it shines is the text editor. Unlike Canva, here you get advanced text editing features like using custom fonts to create 3D effects on any image with precision. There are tons of things you can do with this app. It's so good that all of our cover photos and logos are made with the help of this app. Surprised? Don't be, because many more secrets will be revealed in our future videos. That's why subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video then hit the like button, and if you didn't then hit the dislike button. And I will talk to you guys in our next video.